Hello students, in this video we will solve one example on multiple integral. So we will evaluate this double integral of x into y over r, where r is the region enclosed by x-axis, line x is equal to 2a and the parabola x square is equal to 4ay. So here limits of the region are not provided. Instead the region r is given. So we will solve this example by two different orders of integration. So first we will integrate this with respect to y and then with respect to x. So this is order of integration for first part. So here region R is enclosed by x-axis. So this is y-axis. The line x is equal to 2a and the parabola x square is equal to 4ay. So here this is our region of integration. Now to integrate this first with respect to y and then with respect to x, we have to choose a vertical strip in this region and we have to move this strip from left to right so that it will cover the whole region R. Now to the left side it will move up to this line, that is y-axis, which is x is equal to 0, and to the right it will move up to this line x is equal to 2a. Therefore limits of x are from 0 to 2a. Now to find the limits of y, we have to see how the bottom of the strip varies. Now here bottom of this vertical strip will vary according to the straight line x-axis, that means y is equal to 0, and top of the strip varies according to the parabola x square is equal to 4ay, that means y is equal to x square upon 4a. Therefore limits of y are 0 to x square upon 4a. So this is how we can find limits for this region R by taking vertical strip. So when you take vertical strip, limits of x are constants and limits of y are functions of x, and therefore we first integrate with respect to y and then we integrate with respect to x. So while integrating with respect to y, you have to treat x as a constant. So here when you solve this bracketed term, we get x into y square upon 2 and limits 0 to x square upon 4a, which is equal to x into x raised to 4 upon 32a square. Now we will integrate this with respect to x. So it is this x raised to 6 upon 6 from 0 to 2a. So after substituting these upper limits and lower limits, we get answer as a raised to 4 upon 3. So this double integral over r x into y is equal to a raised to 4 upon 3. This is by taking vertical strip. Now the same example we will solve by changing the order of integration. Now here we will first integrate with respect to x and then we will integrate with respect to y. Now for this order we have to choose a horizontal strip. Okay, so this is our region bounded by these three curves. So this is our region. Now we have to choose a horizontal strip. So let us take this horizontal strip and we have to move this horizontal strip from bottom to top so that it will cover the whole region R. Now see, in this region this strip will move up to this line, okay, that is x-axis, and top it will go up to this line which is y is equal to a. So in this case the limits of y are from 0 to 2a, and to find the limits of x we have to see how the left end of the strip varies, so that will give you lower limit. Now left end of this strip will vary according to the parabola x square is equal to 4ay, that is x is equal to under root 2ay. So that is a lower limit of x, and The right end of the strip varies according to the straight line x is equal to 2a. So x is equal to 2a is upper limit of x. Therefore, limits of x are under root 4ay to 2a. Therefore, we will first integrate with respect to x and then we will integrate with respect to y. So while integrating with respect to x, we have to treat y as a constant. So we get this x square upon 2 within the limits under root 4ay to 2a, which is equal to this term. Now here we will integrate this with respect to y. So it is 4a square upon 2 into bracket y square by 2 within limit 0 to a minus 4a upon 2 into y cube by 3 with limits 0 to a, which is 4a square into a square upon this 4 minus this 4a raised to 4 upon 6, which is equals to a raised to 4 by 3. So by this order also we got same answer, a raised to 4 by 3. So this is how the same example we can solve using two different orders of integration. When we choose vertical strip, order of integration is first with respect to y and then with respect to x. And when we choose horizontal strip, order of integration is first with respect to x and then with respect to y. In both the cases we get same answer. Thank you.